Introducing the Redmi Note 10 with Super AMOLED display and octa-core processor in the shade aqua green. The cutting-edge technology is backed by a 3D frosted matte back and Gorilla Glass protection for enhanced user experience. It comes in three color variants: frost white, aqua green, shadow black. The 4 GB RAM coupled with a 64 GB storage can accommodate all your pictures, videos, files and other downloads. The phone supports dual nano SIM cards. The 6.43-inch large AMOLED dot display with a 20:9 aspect ratio ensures a superior multimedia viewing experience. It can go to 1100 nits ultra brightness for a true HDR experience. The 48 MP quad camera setup allows the user to capture high-resolution photographs with greater detail and in almost all lighting conditions. The camera supports ultra-wide, macro and portrait modes. The 13 MP selfie camera helps you capture some stunning selfies. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 octa-core processor with 11 nm process technology along with the latest MIUI 12 for Android 11 enables low power consumption for a longer battery life and ensures fabulous performance and a terrific user experience. The 5000 mAh battery and the 33-watt fast charger boost the charging speed as well as the battery backup. The box includes Redmi Note 10, a power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case and a screen protector pre-applied on the phone. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.